equals to 729 and 7th term 64. Determine S7. First term 729, 7th term 64. అయితే sum of first 7 terms అంటే మీరు find out చేయాలి. See the solution. Given A equals to 729 and A7 is given. What is the value of A7? 64. A7 formula A into R power 6 equals to 64. So A value how much? 729 into R power 6 equals to 64. So R power 6 equals to 64 over 729. So 64 can be written as 2 power 6. 729 can be written as 3 power 6. So 2 power 6 by 3 power 6 is 2 by 3 whole power 6. R power 6 equals to. Now therefore R equals to 2 by 3. Why it is in the form A power m by A power m equals to B power m. So A equals to B. So R equals to 2 by 3. Now we will find S7. So here R is less than 1. So S7. What is the Sn formula actually? Sn formula A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. So now I want S7, sum of n 7 terms. So A value how much? 729 into 1 minus R value 2 by 3. R value 2 by 3 whole power n, minus divided by 1 minus 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3. That equals to 729 into 1 minus 2 by 3 whole power n over 1 minus 2 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 2 is 1 by 3. Okay. That equals to 729. 3 transpose to numerator, multiply with 3. So 1 minus 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3 whole power n. 3 9s are 27. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 7s are 21. 2187 into 1 minus 2 by 3 power n